so far justice is concerned, there is some difficulty in those areas because it is very remote, far-flung areas. Some of the places you can travel only by foot, and that also take 2 days, 3 days. Now those people, you see, there is hardly any justice available to them as is available to the rest of the country, people of the rest of the country. So therefore this awareness about the laws are somewhat lacking in those areas. Then you say they have to, they are living a very hard life. Correct. Some of them.
The northeastern side of India, and I heard from someone that in northeast law is equal, but justice may not be equally given, maybe. So, and you have worked in the northeast a lot to raise the awareness. What do you think of this quote?
Position is like this. Northeast is placed in a very remote area, far away from
Mainland
Delhi. Far away from this capital, Delhi. Now, Mr. Punno Sangma, who was the political leader, of course, but he was Speaker of the Parliament. So he used to tell me, the Sharma, we are from Northeast, and see, if we are not united, it is very difficult to get our voice heard in Delhi. That is because we come from a very remote area, very far off. And I believe he was right to some extent, but I would say that Northeast is neglected. I don't think so. And particularly now, you see, they are giving a lot of importance to Northeast also, so that it can develop along with the rest of the country. Now, law is the same because you see, all laws are applicable all over India, including the Northeast. So law is equal and applicable to all concerned. But so far justice is concerned, there is some difficulty in those areas because it is very remote, far-flung areas. Some of the places you can travel only by foot, and that also take 2 days, 3 days. Now those people, you see, there is hardly any justice available to them as is available to the rest of the country, people of the rest of the country. They have, first of all, their language. They hardly know any other language, they know their own dialect. So therefore, they are not aware of the laws that have been enacted for their welfare only. Somebody has to go and tell them that these are your rights, these are ye. They do not know anything about the constitutional provision even. So that's the position so far they are concerned. And there are tribal laws also, customary laws and the statutory laws are somewhat different.
Parallel, and they run parallelly.
They run parallelly because village courts are there and all that. That is a different concept altogether. So therefore this awareness about the laws are somewhat lacking in those areas. Then you say they have to, they are living a very hard life.
Correct.
Some of them. So therefore justice you can give them only when you make them aware. You make them a part of the rest of the society. So there you have to have some sort of discussion with them about making them aware of their rights, duties, customary laws, what is the importance of customary laws and all that. So therefore, there should be some sort of discussion with them at some forum. When I was a judge of the Supreme Court, the Chief Justice of India that time appointed me as to a committee. And then I had travelled all over Northeast, calling the judicial officers, telling them as to how they should proceed and make the people aware. This can be done under the legal aid authority. There is a provision that under the legal aid authority, awareness campaign could be done. So I said that use these tools and then make these people aware of their rights, their duties, and their responsibilities. So at that time, I had sent those reports also to the state governments, also respective state governments, submitted it to the law department here, Government of India, submitted it to the Supreme Court also. So thereafter, you see, after my retirement, I do not know whether this process is on or it's not functional at all.